So how much house can I get in Colonial School District for $600,000? Well, today we're going to try to find out. I'm Neil, and this is Living in Philadelphia Suburbs. Thanks for joining us. Today what we're going to do is look at $600,000 price range house in each of the three municipalities that make up the Colonial School District. That's Conshohocken, where we are right now, White Marsh Township, and Plymouth Township. So let's get started. It's a nice cold day with a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow, beautiful gray sky. Join me as we take a quick trip. It's going to be a relatively short video, I think, because my ears are cold already. So, what can we get for $600,000? Let's go find out. Okay, here we are in Conshohocken. We're taking a look today at properties in the $600,000 price range. This is a condominium on Hector Street. It's one of these brick townhouses across the way. It's 1,950 square feet approximately, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The taxes are $57.76 and the HOA is $225 a month. It's currently a rental at $3,500 a month. The pictures pre-rental, it's totally move-in ready, beautiful hardwood floors on the first floor, nice modern bathrooms. It's approximately 20 years old. As you can see, the whole block was constructed at the same time. Here's some fellows doing a little roofing work. Has gas heat and air conditioning. A couple of new air conditioning units, and there's garage parking. Some views down to the river. The train is right down there. Restaurant right on the corner. We've walked around here before. So $600,000. There's a few condominiums in Conshohocken right now listed right around the same price point. They might be reaching a little bit. I don't know if things are negotiable. This has been on the market approximately a month, which is typical. It was snowing a little bit earlier. This is snow. Christmas is next week. That brick building down there is interesting in that it's a candy and nut store. You go in there and they have every type of candy from your childhood that you can remember, plus some you've never seen before. It's really a great place. People on the street, people doing their errands, people walking dogs. Here comes the FedEx delivery, mailman. As I've said before, great walking town, great community spirit, lots of things to do. Could be a good rental, could be a good starter home, be a good family home for city dwellers who are not looking for a yard. So here we are in Conshohocken. If you're looking to move to the Philadelphia suburbs anytime, 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, because I want to help you make a smooth move to the Philly suburbs. Okay, we're going to take another look at a house in White Marsh Township. It's this yellow property with the green shutters right here. As you can see back here is the Plymouth White Marsh High School and the Colonial Middle School. This house is 2,040 square feet. The taxes are $52.72. There's no HOA, of course. Shared driveways, as you can see. All these houses we're looking at today are move-in ready. This house has refinished floors, a nice, relatively new kitchen, bathrooms, all of that. It has a Plymouth meeting address, but it's actually in White Marsh Township, so that's a good thing. My understanding is it's vacant, has new windows. The yard's just a little bit less than half an acre, about 20,000 square feet. Has this big addition on the back, big family room, very nice. Look at that. You can see the ball field. Snowing a little bit. Nice shed back there. Has a fireplace, nice trees, nice lawn. Move-in ready. $575,000 is the ask. So as I said, we're looking for houses around the $600,000 range. I like the bricks. I even like the color. When you're ready to make your move to the Philly suburbs, I want you to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. And I don't care if it's 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months from now. Oh, look, this has a little entryway. Oh, very nice with the washer dryer in there. That's a good thing. So you have a mudroom, gas, hot air, heat. I'm looking at those vent pipes up there. It's probably a high efficiency gas furnace. Can we see it? No, very nice, very nice. Floors are redone. Downstairs was hardwood, upstairs I think it was carpeting, but it's probably a hardwood upstairs too because the house from approximately 1950. The roof's in good condition. Now's the time to make your move. If you watched my video about the VA loans, if you're a veteran or an active duty military, here's your opportunity to own the American dream. It's a beautiful day. The sun always shines in Philadelphia, but the suburbs, it gets cloudy and rains and snows sometimes too. All right, let's continue on, and we're gonna go look at another house. Honestly, when I see a house that's vacant, all I can think of is let's negotiate. Okay, this house we're going to look at is in Plymouth Township. That's Germantown Avenue right there. Major shopping right down the street here. This is the subject property. It's occupied by an older couple, so we're not going to bother them. It's 2,400 square feet. The taxes are approximately $4,700 a year. Has a huge addition in the back they put on in 2012. It's all upgraded, new windows, new kitchen, bathrooms, has a partial basement. It's a nice quiet neighborhood. The neighbors are interested in what we're doing, and that's a good thing. It means people pay attention to who's who and what's what, which is what I always like. And we'll walk around and take a look some more. So I just talked to that neighbor lady. She moved out from Roxborough to send her kids to Plymouth White Marsh High School so they could play ice hockey. And she had been sending her kids to Catholic school, which was costing her, for Catholic high school, $30,000 a year. All of a sudden, if you're paying $5,000 a year for property taxes, it doesn't sound so bad when you got a great school to send your kids to. Let's walk up here a little bit and see if we can see anything else about this house. Oh, there is a fireplace. Great neighborhood, according to that lady. She's lived here 5 years. Oh yeah, a one-car garage. So if you're interested in moving to the suburbs of Philadelphia, 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months from now, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, because I want to help you make a smooth move to the Philadelphia suburbs. All right. Okay, that was, I'd like to say refreshing, but I think maybe chilling is a better word to use. Hopefully you've stuck with me to the end and you're a little bit warmer than I am right now. Are my cheeks red? Well, that gives us some kind of idea of what you can get in the $600,000 price range in Colonial School District. We saw townhouse condominium here in Conchi, priced at $600,000. There's a few like that I've seen lately. There we saw a $575,000 house in White Marsh with a Plymouth meeting address, nice colonial. And we also saw the house in Plymouth Township, $639,000 asking price. All these houses are move-in ready. They're all, you could paint if you wanted, but basically you don't have to do anything. They've all been upgraded or relatively modern. The two houses are both from around 1950. The townhouse is about 20 years old, but it's all, modern stuff. So in the last video, $500,000. In this video, $600,000. We're going to go out beginning of the week and look at what we can get for $700,000. And I have some really interesting $1 million plus properties that I want to take a look at. And then we're going to put our noses down to the grindstone and find some new construction, which in the close-in suburbs that we have here, it's not that easy to find. If you're thinking about moving to the Philly suburbs, 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months, I don't care. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I want to help you make a smooth move. I'm Neil, and I'll see you again soon.